Let's get to know the materials. Teddy bear beads, alphabet beads, 4mm gray beads, stretchable string. I'll be using a needle to make the job easier with the stretchable string. First, take one teddy bear bead and slide in the string. This one has a hole on the side. Next, let's put in the alphabet beads in. I have the word spell Majestic for this. Now take the other teddy bear bead to put beside the letter M. It will look like this, and we have halfway done. Now we just need to string the gray beads. The bracelet I'm making is for size 17 centimeters.
Welcome to the place where dreams collide. Hands and heart in rhythm side by side. Every tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail. Stringing joy with colors oh so bright. Crafting wonders from the morning light. Every pattern is a dance so true. Beat Studio.
To avoid wasting too much on the string, I'll be pushing the beads till almost the end of one end.
Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine. In this space where artistry
Now grab both ends and tie it together.
Beat Studio, where love wins. Lay your
Make sure to tie it securely so it won't get undone.
in the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat, soft but strong.
Cut the long end and make it shorter.
Journey comes
This will make tying the end together easier.
threads of wonder weaving night and day. Inspiration blossoms where we play. Crafting moments in a gentle flow. Beat Studio, it's the way to go. Come along, create a world so fine. Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine. In this space where artistry begins. Beat Studio, where love.
Lastly, we only need to cut the extra. Yay! Now the bracelet is done. You can give it to your friend or wear it for yourself. The final look.
Lay find your peace in the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat, soft but strong. Join our journey, come and sing this song.